Hi guys, it's Dr. Zoe from Dr. Zoe Orthodontics. I wanted to get on here and just do a refresher with you how to turn a palatal expander at home. So some of the reasons why we are doing a palatal expander in your growing child is to broaden their narrow upper arch and create more room for their permanent teeth to come in, and also just create a more functional bite. So you're gonna do great, and here we go. You'll notice the hole here at the top of the expander that the key inserts into. When you put the metal piece of the key into the hole, you want to make sure that it's out flat, as it's shown here from the blue part. And when you turn the key, you're going to push straight down towards the back of their throat. And when you remove the key, it needs to be at an angle like this. This is the most important part because if you remove the key and the metal piece is straight out again, then you've actually undone the turn that you did. You can't hurt them by doing this, but just to make sure that it's properly expanding. If you're expanding properly, you might even notice a gap form between your child's two front teeth, which is completely normal and what we want actually. If you have any questions about expansion or whether you're doing this correctly, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at drzoeorthodontics.com.